This is why a lot of people are failing on forex trading. If I ask you now, do you have knowledge about forex trading? You will tell me yes. If I ask you what knowledge do you have, you will tell me that you have been trading since 2015, that you have spent 30 years in forex trading. But the question is, what do you really know about forex trading? What do you know about price action? What do you know about support and resistance? What do you really know about time frame? What do you really know about market analysis? So each time we see people that have traded for many years and they don't have much proof, and I came to realize that it's just a simple thing, that they don't have the knowledge. Forex is like pharmacy. Forex is like a doctor. You can't inject people without having the right knowledge to find out the vein or those things. How can you go and miss an injections and start injecting people without having the right knowledge of how these things can work in body system? This is exactly how forex works. Forex is a system. Forex is a body of its own. Forex is not all about raising fund, deposit, place trade, buy and sell. No, forex is far beyond that thing. And the more you keep doing it, then that means you'll be trading by luck. And if you place trade today, you will win, and at the end of the day, you will lose out. Now watch this screen. Some of these things I'm teaching you, I shouldn't have, but I want some people to succeed. Now look at this screen today. This one I want to teach you. Last time I dropped on how you can draw your trend lines using it, and you can place your trade. If you have not watched that video, please watch that video. And this very one now, you will find the video link here. This very one here, and I want to teach you or show you one of the simple methods that you can use. This very one now, you can use your support zone. How do you add your support zone? If you are using smartphone, if you touch your screen, something will come out, and while that thing came out, you will use your horizontal line. If you use your horizontal line, how do you know that your support zone is at the right place? Number one is that you will look at last time. If you followed our video last time, you will find that I told you how to identify a reversal point or a breakout using your using one of these things we call using our trend lines, right? Using our trend line. So if you look at this thing here now, this is 1 hour time frame here. Now watch this very thing here, please. Watch this very thing. Look at this very place here now, and look at this place. Now look at this place. One of the reasons people fail in forex trading is that they don't have time to do market analysis. And once you don't have experience, these are one of the things that helped me to started trading successfully. It's not a magic. It's not I know forex. It's all about patience. All right, it's all about patience. So that's why I pity some people. I've seen people. I have watched people enter trade. I've seen people raise up to $1,000 in a matter of 3 weeks or 1 month. They are crying, and I keep asking myself. I did the same thing early time when I was starting trading. I did it. I was thinking, sometimes I borrowed money. I was thinking that if I raise money now, sometimes I will go and borrow and raise like $100. Then I would think that in a matter of weeks I will raise that $100 to go and pay back and also make my profit, only to find out that I just lost everything. I entered into serious dangers. So only sometimes I nearly gave up on forex trading until I decided to pay somebody to teach me. And even though I entered into wrong hand up to 2 times, paying somebody who don't have any knowledge about forex trading, but God finally helped me. I found out that there are good people in forex trading, and this guy really, though he collected huge sum of money from me, but I'm not regretting it, because it was not up to 5 months I recovered everything. And that is why when I see some people trading without the right knowledge, I cry. And some people that have the right knowledge don't even know that you have given them the right key. That is the painful aspect of it. They don't know that you have given them the right key. They think that there is a particular unique way. There is nothing there. If somebody is teaching you about candlestick pattern, resistance levels, and all those things, and try to explain it and use the higher time frame and everything, and teach you. What is left is for you to do the right the info thing, and some of the secrets you can find from a mentor. So what are these simple things? Drop your trend lines like this, and drop another trend line. I mean, drop a drop another distance, drop another horizontal line at the up. So seriously, if you need a mentor, I'm here for you, and I promise never to disappoint you. I've never disappointed anyone. All the people that I'm teaching, all of them that are doing well today, some of them that are doing well today, because I can't lie, and many of them are not yet on profit because of one reason or the other. Some of them still finding difficult, and I still have good ones who are still doing well, and you can join them. This one is just a kind of, so this time I feel like helping some people, so you can just chat me up, we'll negotiate, but I can't do it free. That is one thing I cannot do. So watch this thing now. Anytime you see this rigorous this thing like this place now, some people are not patient enough to stay out of market from this place. You have nothing to benefit from here now. Watch here. From this angle, you have nothing to take from here. You have nothing to take, except you are a sharp guy or a sharp person in forex trading. That means you'll be working with candlestick patterns, and you're already getting all those things and you're out of the market. But the right thing to do is for you to look out for the golden opportunities using your horizontal line, I mean your support and resistance zone. So it's very, very simple. First and foremost, look at the last place. Look at the last place. Look at this place. The thing must touch the last place. And once you keep it, you can possibly keep this one here to know that this thing has broken out from here. And once this thing has broken out from here, it is not an opportunity for you to enter your trade. No, you still have to wait. Wait for what? Now, when this one now cross this line here now, you enter, and you have taken this one, this one, this one. This is 1 hour time frame. So if you know what it means, you know that you enter trade from here. When you enter trade from here, you know what it means, that you have this one, this one, this one, and this one. Even though that this one tried to retrace, but it didn't stop the whole thing. So this is how simple the market can be. So when you don't have this knowledge, and when you are not doing the needful, you will find it difficult for you to succeed. I'm just showing you these things without applying any indicator. I can trade without applying any indicator, because when you have the right knowledge, strategies are supporters. So once you are trading using only strategies, which means you don't have the right knowledge. Sorry to say that. But if you have the right knowledge, when you do your perfect market analysis, you now apply the strategies to help you get the right knowledge, or for you to confirm your signals. That is how it is. So, but some people will just look at the market. They said, since this is like this now, and that is why many who make profit on Mondays may end that same weekend crying, because they have lost all their profits, and it shouldn't be. So do these simple things. Just bring out. See, let me tell us, normal forex trading, you should train yourself at least for 6 months. Yes, at least for 6 months. Look at this thing. You see it? The candle will make it look as if it is in block. But once you have these chart lines, you will see the market in full to know what is going on. Look at this one. It will help you to identify it and know what is going on. So this is how simple the market can be. So apply this thing. Just try this thing this way I'm teaching you. Just stay off your market for some time. Try this sim. Just watch my last video and this. But if you lack all these things, contact me. I will help you out. I'm serious. So please, as simple as these things, once you're able to set your target like this, you relax. If this thing break out like this, do you know what it means? Do you know what you have? Do you know what you have? You still have from this place. Look at it. You have from here. You have from here. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means that you started the journey at this place and you are ending up from this place? To you, This is just as simple as ABC, just a matter of perfect analysis. And another challenge people are having is once you don't have enough capital, once you don't have enough capital, any fastest move of the market, you'll be afraid. That is just it. Look at this thing now. So once you don't have capital, the journey that started here now, let's assume you entered your trade at this place. As this thing is coming up now, which you don't know whether to cross here, you have already closed your trade, not knowing that you still have a journey that will land you down to this place. Do you see it? Do you see it? Then must we have this thing? Yes, we must have this thing for testing. You must have this thing for testing. Look at it. You must have them for testing. You must. It's a must. This thing tested up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on and so forth. So let's assume that this thing just tested it here and you close the trade. You know what it means because you don't have equity.